Yes! How is that that you win?
Work the top.
May Africano. May Africano.
Oo. Tapo na yan, tapo na, tapo na.
Tapo na to?
Tapo na yung yan.
Once again, last call for your big bad wolf. Last call, big bad wolf. Stair number check.
Ay, makakabili akong bisikleta. Bibili ako ng
15, 30 last, 60, 66. On the way. Any others?
Magkano ba yun?
Any others? If not,
11 and 10.
11 ng kilo.
we are closing this game. One good winner.
No.
Pay that lucky winner. $1,199.
Ayoko.
Ayoko. I can bet.
Last call for your PlayStation game. Last call.
Ayoko na. Kaya tayo eh.
Last call for your big bad wolf. Last call. Alright, if you need a close switch, raise your hand. Last call, last call. Sid, where are you? Let me know when you're ready.
Are you ready?
You got winner leave?
Alright,
It was the lucky lady.
we'll play your close switch again. Pulling for 6-card crazy bingo, 6-card crazy bingo straight. Corners in a round, corners down for a 6-pack. Any one of those fat out 6 separate squares. Your first number will be wild. Your first good number, your number. B1. Mark out all numbers sitting in 1. So last call for that crazy eyes. Do one can last call for crazy eyes. Once again, folks, last call for that big bad wolf. That game is coming up next. Last 40 on the floor. Last 40 of that big bad wolf. $1,500 game. Also, last call for that Island Splash. Once again, folks, Island Splash has that instant $250 winner. Last call. Last couple of stacks on the floor. We need a unit on the floor. C on T.